Ford might be bringing back the legendary Mustang Shelby GT500 for 2026. But before you get carried away by horsepower dreams, let's talk about the real cost of owning one in the US. Not just the sticker price, but the true on-road cost, insurance, fuel, maintenance, and 5-year ownership totals, because the MSRP is only half the story. This is the Carconomics, where we break down cars, not by brochures, but by real-world ownership numbers. If you love performance cars, but also care about the bottom line, hit that subscribe button. Now, Ford hasn't officially confirmed the 2026 GT500, but leaks suggest pricing will start around $85,000 MSRP. Fully loaded, with premium packages and track upgrades, it could push past $100,000. You'll likely see 3 trims: the base GT500, stripped for pure performance, the premium GT500, with more tech and comfort, and a track edition, lighter, more aggressive, and more expensive. Here's the reality. MSRP is just the beginning. When you factor in typical US costs, a base $85,000 GT500 looks more like this. Base price, $85,000. Sales tax, about $5,500. Registration and dealer fees, roughly $1,200. Destination charges, around $1,300. That means a realistic on-road price lands near $93,000 or more. And of course, this varies by state. Now, insurance. For a car like this, the average US driver could expect $3,000 to $3,500 per year. Your record and your zip code matter a lot. Maintenance isn't light either. A set of high-performance tires and it can run $1,200 to $1,500. Routine upkeep averages $1,200 to $1,500 per year once you're past warranty. The factory warranty will likely cover 3 years or 36,000 miles, but performance parts wear out fast. Fuel economy? Not the GT500 strong suit. Expect 12 to 15 miles per gallon combined. If you're driving 1,000 miles per month, that's about 70 gallons of gas. At $3.60 a gallon, you're looking at $240 to $290 per month. That's nearly $300 to $3,500 per year. In fuel alone. Depreciation on halo cars is tricky. If demand is hot, values hold better. But typically, expect around a 40% drop over 5 years. So, a $93,000 GT500 might be worth $55,000 to $60,000 5 years later. Now let's talk about the real number that matters: 5-year ownership cost. First is depreciation. Over 5 years, expect the car to lose approximately $38,000 in value. Insurance. With high-performance premiums, you're looking at roughly $17,500 total over 5 years. Fuel is around $17,500. Maintenance and repairs average out to around $7,500 across 5 years. When you add all of this together, the 5-year cost of ownership for a GT500 comes to roughly $80,500. And that's before you even consider financing interest. That's the true cost of living with a Mustang Shelby GT500 in the US. So who's this car for? Checkmark enthusiasts who want raw American muscle, weekend track days, and don't mind premium running costs. Collectors who expect this model to hold its legendary status, and who should think twice. Daily commuters who need comfort and efficiency. Buyers who want luxury first and speed second. In short, the rumored 2026 Shelby GT500 is about passion. If you can handle $20,000 to $22,000 per year in real ownership costs, this car delivers one of the most thrilling muscle car experiences money can buy. If that feels too steep, the regular Mustang GT or the Mach 1 gives you 80% of the thrill at nearly half the cost. Was this breakdown helpful? Tap like, so more Mustang fans see this, and subscribe for more US-focused ownership cost breakdowns. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy the GT500 or wait for an EV muscle car future?